Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I am going to show you how to make chocolate mousse. For this, we need a Lindt chocolate mousse packet, cold semi-skimmed milk around 250 ml, an electric whisk, some digestive biscuits and butter. Melt 1 tablespoon butter and crush 4 to 5 digestive biscuits. Now mix the melted butter and crushed digestive biscuits properly. Put around 1 tablespoon each in 5 separate serving bowls and refrigerate. Now, in a bowl, add 250 ml cold milk and Lindt chocolate mousse packet and whip it using an electric whisk for approximately 5 minutes or until it starts forming soft peaks. You can see that the soft peaks have formed, that means it's done. Now remove the chilled serving bowls from the fridge and put the mousse on top of the biscuit mixture and decorate as you like. Refrigerate for a minimum of an hour or overnight before serving for it to reach the right consistency. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.